Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel Techies Support. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to install Google Chrome and make some essential settings changes. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about Google Chrome. It's a popular web browser known for its speed, security, and user-friendly interface. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, installing Chrome and adjusting a few settings can greatly enhance your browsing experience. Step 1. Downloading Google Chrome. To install Google Chrome, open your existing web browser and navigate to www.google.com/Chrome. This is the official website for Chrome. Once you're there, look for the download button and click on it. As you can see, the Chrome setup file will start downloading. It's usually a small file size, which means it won't take much time to download, even if you have a slow internet connection. Step 2. Installing Google Chrome. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and double-click on it to start the installation process. Step 3. Launching Google Chrome. After the installation is complete, you can launch Google Chrome by either clicking on the desktop shortcut or searching for it in your computer's Applications menu. And there you have it. Google Chrome is now installed on your computer. Next, let's dive into some essential settings you might want to change to personalize your browsing experience. Step 4. Customizing Chrome settings. Open Google Chrome and click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser window. This will open the Chrome menu. From here, select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find various options to customize Chrome according to your preferences. Let's explore a few key settings. Step 5. Setting the default search engine. One important setting is the default search engine. By default, Chrome uses Google as its search engine. However, if you prefer a different search engine, you can change it here. To change the default search engine, scroll down to the Search Engine section and click on Manage Search Engines. From here, you can select your preferred search engine and set it as the default. Step 6. Managing extensions. Another fantastic feature of Chrome is its extensive collection of extensions. These are add-ons that enhance Chrome's functionality. Let's take a look at managing extensions. To manage extensions, go back to the Chrome menu, select Extensions, and you'll be taken to the Extensions page. Here, you can enable or disable extensions, add new ones from the Chrome Web Store, or remove unnecessary ones. Step 7. Clearing browsing data. Lastly, let's talk about clearing your browsing data. Over time, Chrome collects temporary files, cookies, and browsing history, which can affect your browser's performance. Regularly clearing this data is a good practice. And that wraps up our tutorial on installing Google Chrome and making essential settings changes. I hope you found this video helpful and that it makes your browsing experience even better. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.